Welcome to a world of flavors that will completely transform your plant-based meals. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just starting out, the right sauce can make all the difference in creating dishes that are vibrant, flavorful, and satisfying. Plant-based meals can be delicious, wholesome, and satisfying, but the right sauce can elevate them to a whole new level of flavor. Let's dive into 60 simple sauces that will completely transform your plant-based creations. Rich and creamy cashew cream is a versatile base sauce. Blend soaked cashews with water, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt for a luxurious texture that complements nearly any dish. Tahini dressing brings nutty and tangy notes to salads, grain bowls, and roasted vegetables. Mix tahini with lemon juice, garlic, and water for a silky consistency. A vibrant pesto made with basil, pine nuts, garlic, and olive oil is a classic, but try a plant-based twist using nutritional yeast instead of parmesan for that umami flavor. Spicy peanut sauce is a go-to for drizzling over noodles, tofu, or steamed vegetables. Whisk together peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, and a touch of sriracha for heat. Chimichurri is an herbaceous Argentine sauce that brightens up grilled vegetables or plant-based proteins. Combine parsley, cilantro, garlic, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and vinegar for a bold flavor punch. Hummus isn't just a dip, it's also a fantastic sauce. Thin it out with a little water or lemon juice to drizzle over falafel, wraps, or roasted cauliflower. Miso glaze adds depth and sweetness to roasted vegetables and tofu. Blend miso paste with maple syrup, rice vinegar, and a splash of sesame oil for a rich, umami-packed glaze. A creamy avocado lime sauce is perfect for tacos, salads, or grain bowls. Blend ripe avocado with lime juice, cilantro, garlic, and a splash of water for a smooth finish. Tomato-based marinara isn't just for pasta. Simmer fresh or canned tomatoes with garlic, onions, and olive oil for a sauce that works on grain bowls, roasted eggplant, or as a pizza base. Coconut curry sauce brings warmth and spice to your dishes. Combine coconut milk, curry paste, garlic, ginger, and lime juice for a sauce that pairs beautifully with lentils or rice. A smoky chipotle sauce is perfect for tacos and grilled vegetables. Blend canned chipotle peppers in adobo sauce with vegan mayo, lime juice, and a touch of maple syrup for balance. Sweet and sour sauce can elevate stir-fries or rice dishes. Combine pineapple juice, vinegar, soy sauce, and a touch of cornstarch for thickness. Create a creamy sunflower seed dressing by blending soaked sunflower seeds, lemon juice, garlic, and a little water. It's nut-free and packed with flavor. Zesty ginger sesame dressing is excellent for Asian-inspired salads or noodle bowls. Combine grated ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of maple syrup. Make a roasted red pepper sauce by blending roasted red peppers, garlic, olive oil, and a touch of smoked paprika. It's perfect for pastas, sandwiches, or as a dip. Romesco sauce is a Spanish classic made with roasted red peppers, almonds, garlic, and olive oil. It pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables and grain dishes. A creamy dill sauce made with vegan yogurt, fresh dill, lemon juice, and garlic is light, refreshing, and perfect for topping roasted potatoes or grain bowls. Lemon tahini sauce is a quick and easy drizzle for roasted vegetables or falafel wraps. Simply mix tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a splash of water until smooth. Herbed vegan ranch is a crowd pleaser. Combine vegan mayo or yogurt with garlic powder, onion powder, fresh herbs, and a splash of plant-based milk for a creamy, tangy sauce. A simple balsamic glaze is made by reducing balsamic vinegar with a touch of maple syrup until thick and glossy. Drizzle it over roasted vegetables or salads. Creamy coconut lime sauce pairs well with tropical dishes. Combine coconut milk, lime zest, lime juice, and a pinch of salt for a bright and creamy addition. Buffalo sauce adds a spicy kick to tofu or cauliflower. Mix hot sauce with vegan butter for a rich, tangy flavor. A simple soy ginger glaze is perfect for stir-fries or marinated tofu. Combine soy sauce, grated ginger, garlic, and a touch of brown sugar for a sticky glaze. Green goddess dressing is a vibrant, herb-packed sauce. Blend avocado, parsley, cilantro, lemon juice, and olive oil for a fresh, creamy drizzle. Vegan bechamel is a creamy white sauce made by combining plant-based milk, flour, and vegan butter. Add nutmeg and nutritional yeast for depth. Tzatziki is a Mediterranean favorite. Use vegan yogurt, cucumber, garlic, dill, and lemon juice for a refreshing, cooling sauce. A tangy mustard vinaigrette is perfect for salads and roasted vegetables. Combine Dijon mustard, olive oil, vinegar, and a touch of maple syrup. Teriyaki sauce adds sweetness and savory depth to stir-fries and rice dishes. Combine soy sauce, ginger, garlic, brown sugar, and cornstarch for thickness. Garlic aioli is a luxurious, creamy sauce. Use vegan mayo, minced garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil to create a rich and garlicky flavor. Vegan Alfredo sauce is perfect for pasta dishes. Blend soaked cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic, and plant-based milk for a decadent and creamy sauce. Harissa paste is a spicy North African condiment made with chili peppers, garlic, olive oil, and spices. Use it to liven up grain bowls or roasted vegetables. A creamy sweet potato sauce is made by blending roasted sweet potato, plant-based milk, garlic, and nutritional yeast. It's comforting and versatile. A tangy barbecue sauce works well with plant-based burgers or baked tofu. Combine ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, and smoked paprika for a classic flavor. Lemon caper sauce brings a zesty, briny flavor to your dishes. Combine capers, lemon juice, olive oil, and parsley for a bright and tangy topping. Vegan hollandaise is ideal for brunch dishes. Blend cashews, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of turmeric for a creamy, golden sauce. Sweet chili sauce is a perfect dipping sauce for spring rolls or tofu bites. Mix chili flakes, vinegar, sugar, and garlic for a balanced flavor. Create a creamy spinach artichoke dip by blending cooked spinach, artichoke hearts, vegan cream cheese, and garlic for a hearty sauce. An herbed tomato vinaigrette is a light and fresh sauce for salads or grain bowls. Blend fresh tomatoes with olive oil, basil, and a splash of vinegar. Vegan cheese sauce can be made with potatoes, carrots, and nutritional yeast for a creamy, cheesy flavor that's perfect for nachos or mac and cheese. A simple olive tapenade combines olives, capers, garlic, and olive oil. Spread it on bread or use it as a topping for roasted vegetables. Cilantro lime dressing is zesty and fresh. Blend cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, and a touch of agave for a versatile sauce. Garlic mushroom sauce is a rich and savory option. Sauté mushrooms with garlic and blend with plant-based milk for a creamy topping. A spicy mango salsa combines fresh mango, jalapeno, lime juice, and cilantro for a sweet and spicy sauce. Make a nutty almond butter dressing by combining almond butter, soy sauce, lime juice, and a touch of maple syrup. Make a roasted garlic sauce by blending roasted garlic cloves with olive oil, plant-based milk, and a touch of salt. It's creamy, flavorful, and pairs well with almost anything. A smoky paprika sauce adds depth to your dishes. Combine smoked paprika, olive oil, garlic, and a splash of lemon juice for a bold, smoky kick.